Today we have here a YETI Roadie 15. If for any reason you want to change out your latch, if it's damaged or you just want to replace it for any reason, what you'll need are two 3mm Allen wrenches or Allen keys. Validate that. And have my calipers. We have it at just under 3mm. What you want to do is have one Allen key hold the screw down while the other one loosens it. It'll be tight at first. Okay. Then just unscrew it. Notice one side will come out. You may need to take your other Allen wrench, push out the other fitting. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Get your other latch that you want to replace and simply reverse the steps. Long end in first. We'll hold it in. The small end in. Just fit it in loosely. Get your two 3mm Allen wrenches. One holding it still while the other tightens. You want to do it pretty tight. There you have it.